Living lovely, living lovely. She's lovely.
I wanna be with you. Ay. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Ay.
Hey guys, it's Jerika. Welcome to my channel. So today I am doing a hair review, and as you can see, I got my wig grip band on. For those who don't know, the wig grip is specifically for protecting your edges or keeping your wigs on. You can use it for either, or you could bring it down here if you, well, not like on your forehead, but if your edges were slicked back, you know, the band would be here and it'd be perfect to keep your lace wigs on. I don't wear a wig without this. It keeps my wigs in place. It is amazing, and I will link it up here if you want to watch a video on why you should get a wig grip. If you are wearing your lace fronts and you are not wearing a wig grip, you are missing out, because if your wig slides, yeah. Anyway, so I'm going to do a video on a spring bob. This is, the picture is not cooperating. Let me go ahead and pull it out a little bit if I can get it. Okay, there we go. So this is what the wig looks like on the package. You guys can see. So it's a pretty cute spring curly bob. I'm pretty sure I might have to do some plucking. We're gonna see. So anyway, this is Elisa. Yeah, it's an A-line cut, so it's super exciting. And let me go ahead and the company says Sister Wig. So I actually thought another company made this wig. I guess not. I don't know. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the package. This is what it is looking like. And actually the parting space isn't so bad. I really don't know what they put these in there for, honestly. Ooh. I don't think I've ever seen a synthetic wig with this consistency of the hair, but let me go ahead and cut this tag off and then I'll show you guys. Okay, so I went ahead and cut it. So this is what the parting space is looking like. It's pretty decent, I guess. You know, having on this color wig grip will also help. But this is what the texture looks like. It's an A-line bob, so hopefully it's gonna be on this side of my head, because that's the only way I wear my parts. My little ponytail came down. It's very irritating. Go ahead and bobby pin that back down. See, once your natural hair gets long and you don't know how to braid, it really becomes a problem. Trying to keep your hair flat under these wigs. So anyway, let me go ahead and see how it looks first. Okay, the wig is definitely big head friendly, which is amazing. I need to make some adjustments. Okay, so I already see I'm gonna have to make some adjustments because something is not right. So I'm thinking it's probably meant to be worn on the other side. Let me just see. We're gonna figure out which side this is supposed to be on. And I'm thinking it's this side, which sucks because this is not my, this is not the side that I wear my wigs, like, at all. But this is definitely the way it's supposed to be because now it's even. So this is what it's looking like. This hairline is really weird. Okay, so before I go ahead and do anything to the parting or whatever, let me zoom this out. Okay, so before I go ahead and do any type of parting or whatever, this is what it looks like. I hope you guys can see. I hope it's bright enough. Okay, I just made it bright just so you guys can see. This is what it looks like. So with the way that this wig looks, I'm definitely have to put some water on this and flatten it, because I can't stand a wig that stands up. But that's okay. I know how to work it. I know how to work it. Like I said, so with the way that this wig looks, it looks kind of like a wet wave kind of look, which I think is really cute. And this is the A-line parting, so it's going like this. I love these short type wigs because they last forever. Like, they don't get tangled and matted because it's like right on my neck, as you can see. So it's right on your neck, so this wig will never tangle. Like, so I know I'm literally gonna have this wig for years, because the one wig that I wore in my Vegas vlog in 2016, I still have that wig. It still looks good. So like I said, this parting isn't horrible. It's not horrible, but it's also not the greatest. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to do something to this part. Hope you guys can see it. Like, it's definitely thick. So what I'm gonna end up doing is plucking it, well, razoring it with this little eyebrow razor. I'm just gonna go in and like razor it and pull some hairs out. And then I'm gonna apply some powder. And then I'm gonna come back and show y'all what it looks like. All right, you guys, so I have completely destroyed my wig. I feel like the dumbest person on earth right now, like the dumbest. I overplucked my parts, and now you can see the track right here. Like, I totally just ruined it. Like, I am in love with this wig, and I just ruined it. But I think I'm gonna wear it anyway. I'm going to wear it anyway. But y'all, look at this. Oh, jeez. This wig is so cute. And then this is this side. Anyway, might as well go ahead and talk about it. So there is a comb in the back and there is a comb in the front. Like I said, the only thing I don't like about this wig, for one, is this, like, when you pluck the hairs out, the track is literally right there. I've never had a wig where if you pluck the hairline, they got a track like right there. Usually all the hairs where the parting is like lace hairs, but this wig does not have any lace besides this one little thin strip. Everything else is just wig, if that makes sense. Like, this isn't lace, it's just one big old bold line, so I don't like that. Like, if all this was lace up here, there would not be a track right there, which really sucks. So that means if you buy this wig, you cannot pluck the part. You got to keep the part the way it is and just put some concealer or some powder in there. I honestly wish I had realized that before I got this wig. So I definitely think I'm going to order another one, which really sucks because it's just a waste of money. I'm just regretting life right now. I am regretting life. So this is what this wig is looking like. I love it. Everything about it, like I said, except this parting. I don't like that. That parting can really kick rocks, like so many rocks. It's real. If they could remake this wig and make the parting space more lacy and not just a big bold track just sitting right here, it would actually be really cute. I don't know if you guys can see it. So with it not being like lace, like it doesn't lay as flat as I would want it to. So that really sucks. So that means I'm gonna have to actually make a part in my own hair before I put this wig grip on. So that's it's gonna make the way that I apply my wigs have to be different. That really sucks about this wig because I really see, it's just like it's really thick band and there's nothing you can do to make that look any more natural because it is what it is. But it's a really cute wig, so you could wear it like this with it behind your ear and have some hair pulled out, or you could just wear it the normal way. Like I said, either way it would work. I would highly recommend this wig though if you can get past the parting space and the lack of the lace in front of the wig. Like I said, this is one of those wigs that once you buy it, you can literally wear it for over a year, because I still have my Tammy wig, which was really short. But this is so cute, you guys. This is such a cute wig. So if you want a cute wavy / curly spring A-line bob, A-line bobs are in right now. So if you want to be able to get an A-line bob without having to cut your real hair or get a quick weave or whatever that is, go ahead and get this wig. I will have the link in the description bar below, because despite the few cons, it's too cute. You can overlook those cons for this wig because it's just too cute. Okay, just go ahead and get it and you'll be happy you did. So if you guys like this video, I hope you guys thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat to keep up with me in my daily life. Also, don't forget to check out my beauty, fashion, travel blog. I am so excited about it. I will link it down here. It is www.jerikasincere.com. And also, if you want to go ahead and join our travel squad, we're a group of women who met online. We all are travel agents, and we're teaching other people how to travel for less and become travel agents. And join our travel squad. The travel squad just got together this past weekend. I didn't get to go because I had a previous engagement that I had to go to, but I'm telling you guys, like, we are a team of women who are traveling, black women at that, and it's so exciting. So I will have that link in the description bar as well, but it is www.sisterhoodtravel.info. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and have a good day.